Hey everybody, it's Kay again. Today we're going to be walking through the process of searching scholar behaviors. Now, a reason why you might want to search a scholar's behavior is to kind of gain a little bit of knowledge on their behavioral patterns throughout the day. Maybe they have an issue um, getting their work done at the beginning of the day. Maybe they get cranky and are a little on edge at the end of the day. Maybe they're tardy to your class and they're not tardy to other classes. This is a process that'll help you try and understand your scholar better so that we could give them the extra support that they need. So let's get started. It's a very simple process. All you need is their name. We're going to start with the toolbar on the left side where we're going to scroll down to Student, select Student, and then Search 2.0. This will bring us to the search screen where we'll input their name. I'm going to use, let's get my name off of there for a minute. I'm going to use the name of a scholar who graduated. Um, I would like to use them just so we don't get any, we start reading another scholar that's with us information. So we're using Martes. When we get to the screen, hopefully we can confirm that it's a scholar by their picture. Some scholars don't have pictures. They might have transferred or been at this school before the time period where we had a picture of them. So anyways, we're going back, checking Marte's behavior history. We'll click on his name, and then this will give us access to all the information we need. Sorry. We are going to scroll down until we see the list of behavior management history. It'll have the time and date, it'll have details, what type of incident, whether it's a minor or a major, and then who it was referred by. This will also be where you see all of the tardies the scholar has collected and uniform infractions. So if you take the time to scroll through from the last couple of weeks, you could be able to see what type of instructors that scholar may get along with or may not get along with. Maybe they need more support in the hallways. Maybe they're having trouble with their uniform. This is all information that should be used to give our scholars the extra support that they need in order to succeed. And that was behavioral search on Illuminated. Thank you for taking the time to walk through this process with me.